So we've got this one here, Chevrolet Captiva, and DPF light has been on with the two engine lights. One's just the normal engine management light, and the other one was an actual engine management light that was on the right hand side with the arrow facing down, as well as the DPF light there, as you can see. So we're doing a regen on it, and hopefully this should cure it. I will also reset the sensors on the DPF, and all the lights should go. The gentleman as well owns it. It does say it goes into lit mode, and there is no power whatsoever. Regen still going. Usually lasts roughly probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on how bad the soot content is. On here as well, it's giving that sort of bar. The regen's finished. Took about 15 minutes ish, roughly, probably less. And he's told me to turn the ignition off, and we'll turn it back on. Hopefully that should do it. And if I come back out of this as well, you've got these two as well, which is exactly identical to Vauxhall. So I'll just go into that and reset the sensors on the DPF. I'll turn the ignition off. So now he's telling us to turn the ignition on again, which we will, and that's happily done it as well. And then if we just turn the ignition off, take key out, turn it back in, and turn the car on. All the lights have disappeared except for that one. We'll look into that as well in a bit. I've done everything. I'm just doing the motorway now with the gentleman, so we can just confirm that everything's fine. The car's no longer in lit mode. The DPF light is not flashing, no engine lights, and the oil service was reset because that spanner was to do with the oil service. The whole power's back and it does drive brilliant, and we'll just drive it for another probably 10-15 minutes to confirm that everything's spot on and no lights come back on. I'll also do a live data and a full diagnostic scan at the end just to confirm that everything's fine.